So today I'm off to the machine shop. I've got my parts in, the new rings, the ARP studs. Let's see, put those there. More ARP. I'm not sure. These I don't recognize. These are too big for the cam bolts, although they're the same type head. So I'm not sure where those go. But they were sent from JAE. My gaskets. More gaskets. The head gasket and the intake manifold gasket will come out. I'm going to pick up the head from this machine shop because they don't have the computer to measure the flow for before and after it gets ported. So then I'll bring it to a different shop, have them do that, document it for me, and then bring it back to the original shop who will finish putting the engine together. And bearings. So bearings, gaskets, studs, rings, and this is from the old engine. I forget what that thing does. I remember taking it off, but so yeah. So there we go, off to the machine shop.